For a secured system, it's important to be able to know who did what to the data and when. ADE provides a secured audit trail to fulfill this goal. Next, I will show you how to manage the audit trail for ADE. We can manage the audit trail through the eCommand utility or through the management tool xadmin. First, I will do some simple ADE operations, like creating the encryption key. Create encryption key key8 and encrypting the file. Encrypt file company cut number AES256 key8. Next, I want to use eCommand-audit to view the audit records in the audit file. We can see that for the last two records we touched, both of the actions have been recorded. Create a key and encrypt a file. You can also specify some conditions to filter the audit record you want to view, such as specific time, usernames, operations, and so on. For example, use the command eCommand-audit-a date-u user can be used to display audit records on operations performed by the root user after September 30, 2020. Depending on how you use ADE, the audit file can potentially grow very quickly and become quite large. Therefore, you should plan an appropriate backup task before you deploy your encrypted applications. So, we can use command eCommand-audit-backup audit back 01 to back up the current audit file. Enter yes. We can see backup already done. Please note that when you execute the backup, the contents of the current audit file will be cleared. To show you this, let's check the current audit file now that we have finished our backup. Another important thing you should know when you turn on the U2 audit logging is that all audit records about ADE will be taken over by U2 audit logging. ADE will not use its own audit trail. Let's look at an example of ADE logging is overtaken when I now turn on the audit logging. Use the command conf-command-l audit-y to turn on the audit logging. You must stop the universe or Unidata server. And restart it to take effect. Then use conf-command-j to check that the audit is turned on. For the universe, we can use command uvreason-p audit1 to turn on the audit logging. OK, next, let's start a new session and decrypt a file. When we query the audit logging, we can see that the decryption was recorded in the audit logging. We can also check the ADE's audit trail to see that it doesn't no longer has an audit trail record. So you can selectively use audit trail for ADE.